Okay, it's Miss Lalana, and I am going to help you with your homework. This is Tuesday, even though it's not Tuesday. I messed up. I got confused about the day that we had off. So this is the sheet we're looking at. Make sure you write your name. I wrote my name. And are you ready to get started? All right, let's get started. So look at number 1. Number 1, it says 968 plus 14. So when we add, what do we do first? We're going to add the ones place. Now, if you notice, we have a 3-digit number and a 2-digit number there. What is this 2-digit number missing? It's missing a hundreds place. What number is right there? 0. Okay, so imagine there's a 0 right there. So we start with the ones. We do 8 plus 4. What's 8 plus 4? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I write the 2 here, and I put the 1 on top of that 6 in the tens place, and then I add the tens place. What's 1 plus 6? 7 plus 1 is 8. So I put an 8 right there, and then 9 plus 0 is 9. So the answer is 982. All right, let's look at number 2. We have 937 minus 612. So we start right there in the ones place. 7 take away 2. Do you have enough? Yes. So show me 7. Take away 2. How much is left? 5. So we did not have to regroup that one. Okay, don't regroup if you don't have to. Look at the tens place. 3 take away 1. Do you have enough? Yes. So show me 3, and then take away 1, and then what's that? 2. All right, the 2 right there. All right, 9 take away 6. All right, show me 9. Do you have enough to take away 6? Yes, so take away 6. And then what's left? 3. So you have 325 is the answer for that one. All right, look at the next one. Number 3. Number 3 says, write as an addition problem and solve. So what do we call this right here? That is a what? An array. Let me write that down. Array. So let's count how many we have in the first row. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 plus, how many is there? 4 plus, what's that? 4 plus 4. And what is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4? 16. All right. 16 is your answer. Now if we count how many there are in the column, how many is right there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And what's that? 16. Okay, same thing if we go up sideways, counting the columns, or up and down, vertically counting the rows. Now, here's your challenge. What is our multiplication sentence for this array? 4 times 4 equals what? 16. Same thing, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4 fours. All right, good job. All right, let's look at number 4. So number 4 says, fill in the missing fact from the fact family. Now, remember, how many numbers make up a fact family? 3 numbers. So let's look at the number sentences we have here. And what are the 3 numbers you see? Okay, we have a 5, we have a 9, and then we have a 14. See, look, 5, 9, 14, 5, 9, 14, 5, 9, 14. So now we have to come up with the last sentence. So what's another thing that makes up, well, what's the other rule about fact families? You have 2 what? 2 addition sentences, and then 2 what? Subtracting sentences. So let's see what we have. All right, I see 2 addition problems right there, and have 1 subtraction problem. So what are we missing? a subtraction problem, okay? So what I have here is 14 minus 9 equals 5. So we have to switch it around to make a number sentence. Now, when you do a subtracting sentence, what number should always come first? The biggest number, okay? So what's the biggest number here? 14. So I am going to write 14. Now I have 14 minus 9 equals 5. So now what do? I have to switch the 9 and the 5 around. So it's going to be 14 minus what? Minus 5. So 14 minus 5 equals 9. And that is the missing number sentence, missing fact from the fact family. All right, let's look at number 5. All right, so for number 5, we are going to measure the glue stick. Now, let me say this. You are not measuring the picture, okay? You're not measuring the height of the picture of the glue stick on the paper. You are actually going to measure an actual glue stick, okay? So, let me see. I'm going to go find a glue stick. Okay, bam, I found a glue stick. But, look at this person. Didn't even put the cap on it. Now it's all dry. But the cap doesn't take that much more, doesn't give it more height since it closes right there. All right, so here's my glue stick. And what measuring tool do I need? I need a ruler. Bam, there's my ruler. All right, so I have 1 foot, 4 miles, 10 inches, and 3 inches. So I'm going to start with my glue stick right there. I'm going to start maybe at the top right there where the 0 is. And do you see what does our glue stick measure? Start 0. That's 1 inch, 2 inches, and what's that? 3 inches. So the answer for that is 3 inches. Now look right here, 10 inches. Now 10 inches would be from right here all the way to right there. Look, it can't even fit on the screen. That's about the size of your paper. So is a glue stick the size of your paper? No. So that's not the answer. Now, 1 foot. Now, do you remember what 1 foot equals? It equals 12 inches. So that's even longer than the 10 inches. That's even longer than your paper. So is it 1